More homes went under contract year over year, and rental home prices are up in Annapolis. It's Friday, August 15th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. It's taking 5 more days this August than last August at the same time for homes to go under contract, but we're back to 100% list to sold ratio this report. Homes for sale rose to 210 units this report at a median $755,000. 21 homes are coming soon. 30 homes went under contract in 19 days at a median $677,500. 23 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 15 days with a median sales price of $565,000. 6 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $464,950 sales price in 38 days. 11 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median sold price of $1,210,000 in 8 days. 6 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $542,500 in 20 days. There are 44 homes for lease at $3,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 15th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in and enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. Take care.